Hey guys, today I'm going to be going over on how to fix this error SSL. Usually what this means, your server is running an older version of TLS, whether that be version 1.0 or 1.1. And if you hit advanced, it'll give you that full error message. And today I'm going to show you how to enable TLS 1.2 on your IIS server 2008 version. But you can pretty much do this on any version of server going forward. Alright, so what you need to do is log into your server, go to the registry editor. You're going to go to HKey local machine, system, CurrentControlSet, control, SecurityProviders, SCHANNEL, protocols. And under protocols, you might just have one folder called SSL 2.0. If you don't have the other folders that we're going to need, you're going to create new key, and you're going to name it TLS 1.1. Then create a new key, TLS 1.2. Once you have those created, go into each one and you're going to create another key called client, then another folder called server, and do that for both. So client, and then server. I'm going to go to client, and we're going to create two D-word values. First one's going to be disabled by default, which is going to set that to 0. Then we're going to create another one. This might be particular on you, but we still need TLS 1.1, so we're going to enable for that to 1, and then go to the server, and you're going to do that same thing depending on what you set for the server. D-word value, disabled by default, then enabled to 1, and we need definitely a TLS 1.2, so we're going to do that same thing here. Enable the server, enable, then we got to create those disabled by default, and then disabled by default. Perfect. Alright, now once you have all these, looks like we messed up on one. Delete. Enabled to 1. So once you have everything created, you can go ahead and reboot your server. For these changes to take effect, just double check you have the right keys and everything in there, which we should. And you can go ahead and reboot your server, and that should correct that error in the new Google Chrome update. We are now just waiting for the server to fully reboot so we can go ahead and test to see if that TLS entry in the registry is now being applied, and we will not get that Google Chrome error message anymore. Alright, it's done booting up, so let's give it a couple minutes for it to start all the services again, like IIS and Exchange, and we'll try and load the page here. Alright, we can see our Exchange server is fully up, all of our services have started, and you can see we can load Outlook web app without that TLS error message of being outdated.